So today we are checking out this neck and back massage that was sent to me. I'm gonna be opening this up, telling you everything that you need to know about it and giving you a full review before you purchase this. Okay, so I just got this thing out of the box, and inside the box you have, of course, the chair itself, and then you do have inside of here the cords to go through and actually plug this thing in. Now I do want to start off by highlighting that this is not like your normal kind of massage chair thing that just kind of like straps to the back of a couch. This thing is heavy duty. You can see here, this is like a thicker material, kind of solid thing. This is definitely a nicer massage chair. I'm really excited to give this thing a go. You can see there's all sorts of different features on this thing that we're gonna be talking about. But just wanna highlight that from the beginning. You can definitely tell this is a more quality kind of product. And I mean, check out this remote. We got a ton of stuff that we're gonna have to go over here. I'm excited to give this thing a try. Okay, in order to get this thing started up, you can see there's a little cord here on the side. You just take this guy right here, plug it in, and then you can take this and plug this in right here, and you are good to go. Obviously, go plug it in the wall. I do want to call out how long this cord is. This is really nice so that you can have this chair pretty much wherever you would like it, and you'll have access to a cord. You can see I have one just right here, so we're gonna go through and plug this in. Okay, so you can see this is what it looks like actually on the chair in its glory. Great thing about this is you can see there's straps here on the back, so you could go through and strap this directly to the chair. That's what I'll be doing before I go through and do this. You can see you have the head massage here. You have these, you have a nice little pocket here on the side where you can go through, and I'm assuming the remote fits in there, so you can keep this thing nice and clean and tidy. Look at that, that's awesome. Okay, so now let's actually go through and give this thing a test. Okay, so let me show you everything that this thing can do. I've just been sitting in it for the past like 30 minutes and it's been incredible. But let me show you kind of what it can do for you. And I do want to call out all the button settings. It's nice to have this little sticker right here are kind of listed in this area. And it does have an extended free warranty, which is kind of cool. So when you first turn this thing on, you can see there's lots of different modes. When you first get it, you might just want to start with this demo mode. You can see it will just go through and kind of give you a little flavor of everything going through. But you can see up at the top here, you can adjust the vibration. So the vibration, you can have with level 1, 2, or 3. It just goes through and kind of vibrates. You can see right now it's doing the air intensity, and it's going through, and this is going through and kind of giving you a nice squeeze, a little bear hug here. It feels really good, especially for a chair like this that's, you know, it's kind of portable in the sense. So you can see you can go through and do that. You can go through and turn on, you know, if you just wanted just normal settings, if you turn this on, I'll turn it off here, you can see you can go through and turn on the neck. So when you turn that on, you have the Shiatsu massages coming through. And what's cool about this is a lot of times with these, it's hard to get this in the right position. So you can see here with this up and down arrow, this will actually adjust these up and down. So you can see I'm holding it down and they're moving more down, or you can hold this up and they're gonna move up to get you like in the perfect neck position. And also this is removable and washable, which is nice as well. So if other people are using it and you wanna go through and wash it where their neck is at, that's kind of cool. And then you have this 2D or 3D option here. And if you click rolling, it will go through and roll on all of the different settings. And then you do have this setting for air back. When you click that, it's gonna go through and kind of give you a nice air squeeze here. When you click this, you can see it's going to start compressing just like this. And then you can also do air seat here. So when you go through and hit that, you're gonna notice that down below here, these will start squeezing as well and inflating. And I'll go sit in this so you can get an idea of kind of what that does. And then of course you do have the heat setting where you can go through and turn the heat on and off if you wanted a more heat massage. So this thing will pretty much get your entire upper body and even down below as well with this seat settings here. Really impressed with that. So you can see this is what it looks like on the sides. It just kind of goes through and squeezes the sides right here. It actually feels really well. Same with on the seat right here. So the fact that you have all of these settings here, this thing is super transportable. You can put it pretty much anywhere on your couch, bed, or just, you know, on a chair like I have it right here. This is certainly something that I would recommend if you were looking for a massage chair. I love the heat settings. I really like the air settings, and the fact that you can go through and adjust the Shiatsu massage on the neck here to make sure that's like in the right spot really makes a big difference and is a big selling point for this particular